Is it visible my screen, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we completed enterprise structure, like what is mean by a group of company. So we created a group of company. Our group of companies, Bajaj group of companies. So under the group of company, we have different types of company codes. So company code is nothing but a separate legal entity. So they're manufacturing or they're doing business in separate products or else separate geographical area wise, whatever they're running the business, but they want to submit they want to submit their financial statements to the government at each and every legal entity wise. Legal entity is nothing but company. So wherever we are submitting the reports to the government, that area we called as a company code, right? So in our group of company under we have a three company codes. Yesterday we created two company codes. Our company code 1001, 1003. So basically in real time scenarios they are using as a company codes instead of company code names they are using numbers only because security purpose they are using numbers only. So yesterday we created 1003 that company code Bajaj Digital. So we created a group of company and created a company code and we'll assign both. Then coming to create a business area. So business area is nothing but branch. So in SAP terminology, we call it as a business area. So as per our 1003 company code, Bajaj Digital, we have a three branches. So we have a three business areas. Like one is Bajaj Digital Hyderabad, Bajaj Digital Bangalore, and Bajaj Digital Hyderabad. So this is three business areas. Then three business areas we created. Then later we will created a one consolidated business area. So consolidated business area is nothing but, for example, we can choose any kind of business. There are a number of branches. So each and every branches, if we are maintaining, we need each and every branch wise. If we are maintaining separately, so we need to bear maintenance cost also more. Why? Because so each and every department they need to different kind of department HR, marketing, administration, different kind of people required. But when we can use the consolidated business area, so consolidated business area means it is the head of the all the business areas. So in that consolidated business area onwards, we can monitoring all the business areas relevant to transactions. So it means in that consolidated business area level, we can generate the report all the business area wise or each and every business area wise. We can generate the report even the particular business area we are getting profit or we are getting loss. So these kind of the reports based on that they will run their business. Some of the business areas they will get continuously loss. So then automatically they will close the business. So this kind of all the reporting purpose, we can use the consolidated business areas. So that I created one consolidated business area and later I'll assign these consolidated business area to all my business areas. So up to this is the sixth step. And coming to define business functional area. So functional is nothing but department. For example, any kind of business or any kind of units, there are different kind of functional areas like finance, HR, marketing, yeah, material management, sales and distribution, security, ABAP. So these kind of all the departments. So is for our scenario, we have a finance department. So that I just created finance department number 11111 department finance department. Then coming to credit control area. So I already explained yesterday credit control area. So credit control area is nothing but first we need to create one credit control area means one field. Based on that we can restrict it in our all kind of company codes level or particular company code level. We have an option to restrict for giving services on credit basis. So credit base means, for example, based on the customer, if customer is a good customer or customer payment is regularly, then sometimes we have an option to we have an option to sell credit base also based on the customer priority. Some customers their payment is not regularly. irregular payments, so that we are not able to give the credit sale. So these kind of credit sale percentage, for example, the goods value is 1 lakh. So based on the customer nature wise, we will give sometimes 100% of credit sales, sometimes 50% of credit sales. These and all the restrictions we have an option under the credit control area. So that I created one credit control area. Then later that credit control area, I need to assign my company code. So this is yesterday topics we covered. So each and every topic wise also yesterday with complete information I will explain. So here, so each and every topic wise also complete information is there. You just go through and read once again. Okay, then today topic is global settings and configuration. So it means even till yesterday class and when we are trying to create a GL, till up to every configuration, it will be same, both ECC and S/4HANA. But whenever try to ECC, it will, whenever trying to learn ECC, it will be better compared to S/4HANA. So that first I'm trying to explain ECC only. Maximum 2.5 months or 2.5 months or 3 months, I'll completed FI and CO real-time concepts in ECC. Later, I'll explain 1 month end-to-end in S/4HANA only. Once we completed in ECC, then I'll cover S/4HANA also. So this is the second class, global settings and configuration. So it means whatever company we are, whatever the business we are running, so we need to do some basic, this is also basic settings. So it means your business want to run any kind of transactions, we need to do some settings like between the global settings means global level, I mean country level or international level wise, we need to do some we need to fix some configurations. So then only later we can do post any kind of transactions, right? If you are you understand, if you are getting any doubts, immediately you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
So these, I think 13 configurations is there in global settings. One by one, I'm going to explain and at the same time doing the configuration as per server also. So this is SAP ECC offline server. So why I'm explaining offline server only? Because the time of teaching purpose, if I am using online server, so mostly 99% of people, those who are providing servers, without our intimation, they are repeatedly deleting the data because maybe their cloud services, it will be enough. So that the reasons they're deleting the data. So one, when I'm trying to take in the classes, if the data is deleted, again I need to do the configuration from starting onwards. So that I preferred offline server only, because if I'm using offline server, nobody cannot disturb, nobody cannot delete any kind of data in my server. So that training purpose, most of the trainers are also using ECC offline server only. Okay. First one is maintain physical year variant. So first of all, what is meant by physical year variant? Here, physical year is nothing but financial year. So as per our Indian terminology, so our financial year is April 1st to March 31st, right? So now we are in like 23, 24, sorry, 24, 25 physical year, right? So our physical year is April 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2025. So, right, this is our physical year. It means financial year. Normal terminology, financial year. In SAP terminology, we call it as a physical year, right? So, on the financial year, we maintain 12 normal postings. So, 12 normal posting means here posting period is nothing but month. So, normally we call it as a one financial year, we have a 12 months, right? Like April to March. At the same time, SAP also one financial year having 12 months. Month is called as a period, posting period and posting period. And coming to four special posting periods. So why we are using four special posting periods means Here special posting period is nothing but, so our financial year is end is March 31st, 2025, right? So then March, April, May, June, July. Coming this 2025 year, April, March, May, June. These 4 months we called as a special posting period. So whenever we are fixing the posting periods in SAP, compulsory we need to fix 12 normal posting periods and 4 special posting periods. Why? Because these 4 special posting periods is for auditor adjustment purpose. So within these 12 months, transactions is happened in our system. Okay, whenever we try to submit the reports to the government, if is there any corrections, any changes required, so then these scenarios we can use these 4 special periods. So with the help of 4 special periods, we can edit the existing data. Okay, before going to submit the government. So in April is the first special posting period, and May is the second special posting period, and April, May, June, July, right? 4 months. So, for example, till March 2025 year completed, then April 1st is the first special posting period. In this first special posting period, we have an option to edit first 3 months. 3 months means, so our financial year is 24-25, right? 24 April, May, June. These 3 months related any changes. If you want to change, if you required, want to change any changes, these first 3 months relevant data changes going on first special period. So it means April 2025. So that one I'll explain one by one. Then what is meant by fiscal year variant? In general accounting terminology called as fiscal SAP terminology. So Indian fiscal year. So as per our Indian fiscal year, April 1st to March 31st, right? So some of the companies they are using different kind of fiscal year based on their government rules and regulations. So here USA fiscal year is January 1st to December 31st, right? So they are using January 1st to 31st. Whatever US relevant companies, they are using their fiscal year variant. Fiscal year is January to 31st. So for example, you are when you after completing your course, you are getting any job. So you need to work any foreign country relevant companies. Then they are maintaining their books. Their fiscal year variant is January to December. Some of the companies they are using June to July. So like that. This is the physical year variant. So that we need to first, with the help of OB28, we need to create a physical year variant. First, I'll delete entire this one, or else I just copy and save it. Uh, so with the help of OB28, we can create the physical year variant. OB28. So this is a commanding bar. So whenever we are trying to, some of the people they're asking, this is the search bar. This is a commanding bar. So whatever the screen if you want, then we can enter particular screen relevant T codes here. Then automatically that particular screen will be displayed. /n OB28. So /n indicates it system it will it will goes home screen, and again it will reflect the particular T code relevant screen. So this is the physical year variant screen, right? So here I just reached with the help of path only. So some of the people you cannot dependent only for path only, because sometimes if you are forgetted path, then you can So that you need to practice repeatedly with the help of path only. So here path is once again. So this is the end user screen, right? So when you are trying to do the any configurations, you need to reach consultant screen, right? Consultant screen is go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG screen. So this is entire consultant screen. Whatever the changes we need to do in consultant level, everything it will be processed from this screen only. So enterprise structure, sorry, I want to close another screen. So slash I. Okay. SPRO, financial accounting, global settings, physical year, I'm sorry, physical year, financial accounting, global settings, new ledgers, physical years, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, sorry, physical year, maintain physical year variant, right? Path also you can reach the same screen. So mostly you need to prefer path only. Okay, this is the path for you are going to create a physical year variant. So here there are you can see there are different types of physical year variants for their countries relevant physical year variants. So some of the once again you can check this is R3. Somebody created this one April to March and 4 special periods. This is belongs to our company, our country. So you can see V6 July to June. This is belongs to some other country. So January to December, that is belongs to some other some US relevant company. So there are different types of physical year variant. So in that, if you want to create a new one, directly click on the new entries, or else if you want to select existing relevanted in existing India relevanted physical year variant. So somebody created V3 or something. Okay, you can see. So you can choose existing also and select copy, and you can create change our physical year variant. So I just selected V3. So V3 is not for mandatory. I just selected V3 because already created somebody April to March. This is our Indian physical year variant and 4 special posting periods, right? So 12 months and 4 special posting periods. So that I'm selecting this one. And beside new entry, there is an option for copy. So click on copy. So now just select back. So here, first we need to create in our Excel only. So our physical year variant is Bajaj. So B3, B1 something or whatever, BJ or else BV. So Bajaj physical year. So our company group of company name is Bajaj. So that I'm selected first B. This is the just text field only, not for mandatory. So BV. BV means our physical year variant. So please keep in your mind. So as for my company purpose, whenever try to create in your system, you can select your own physical year variant. Okay. Auto defined. I just mentioned BV. 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 So somebody already created in the name of BV system, it will not allowed. So we need to change new one. So if anybody don't create it in the name of BV, then system it will take acceptance. Okay, nobody can create it. Now system it is asking under the physical year variant, some of the configurations existing done. I'll explain. I'll show that one also. So here entry one, copy all. You just click on the copy all. So number of dependent entries copied 13. Copied. Okay. So now our physical year variant is BV. So we are created. So just go save it. TR it will be moved. So yesterday I'll explain what is meant by TR. So as part of real-time concepts, I'll explain clearly how TR it will be works, how it will move one department to another department. So, I think so. Everything I'll explain. Okay, this is BV is our physical year variant. So then physical year variant is created. Then we need to check these particular physical year variant relevant months like January to March to April and four special periods. Everything it will be allotted or not. Everything it will be applied or not under this physical year variant. So how it will apply means you can see I already explained physical year variant. So this is calendar year, right? January to November. First month, second month, 12 month. This is normal calendar and days, monthly days and periods and year shift. So year shift means I'll explain one. Year shift means once again, whenever we are changed to year, then automatically next year, how many months? For example, now we are in 2024-25 year, right? So in that, April to December is 1 year. So year shift means again we are entering 2025 year. So in the 2024 year, how many months we are using this particular financial year, right? So January, February, March, 3 months is the extra calendar year relevant month. So that 3 months we treat it as a year shift months. That I'll explain in system only. Okay. First I need to select my physical year variant. Select and click on the periods. So here you can see uh, our physical year variant PV and these and all very important topics. Basic setting level, if without if you can do the configuration without any confusion, then later you can easily do the other all the configurations. So BV is posting period April to March and four special posting periods, right? So here you can see here this is the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? This is the calendar year months. This is the dates, right? This is posting period variant. As per our system, I explained. So posting period means like months. So our physical year is 2024-25. In that we have a 12 months, right? So in the 12 months, first 9 months comes under the 2024, like 2024. So first posting period is we can treat as a April, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the April month. But as per system, it will take posting period is April is the first posting period, and May month is the second posting period, and June is the third, July is fourth, August is fifth, September is sixth, October is seventh, November eighth, December. So up to 9 months belongs to 1 year and remaining 1, 2, 3. It means January, February, March. These three is the 10, 11, 12 posting period. These three belongs to next year, right? It means 2025 year. So 2025 January is our 10th posting period. February is our 11th posting period. March is our 12th posting period. So that these 3 months January, February, March, these 3 months belongs to new year 2025. So that these 3 months we treated as a year shift, right? Are you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
If you're having any doubts, you can ask immediately. So whenever you are copying a physical year variant from existing one, before that you need to check everything it will be reflected properly or not. So then again click on the period text. Click on this one, period text. So here period text is not updated. So period text is nothing but we need to update the new entries. So some of the physical year variant they don't update the period text. So this is the period text. Language. So our language is English, right? So EN, you just select this one, like okay, and period. Period means posting period months. So first period 1 to 12. This is just text field only. So but we need to update text, the small text, and this is the long text. Long text, right? Save it. The data was saved. Okay, when I'm selecting some existing company, that posting period variant text field is not updated, right? So I'm save it. So then if you want to create one more posting period, I just explain example with the help of BV. Just go to the copy. Instead of BV, I'll explain some XY, enter, copy, copy. So now we can check under the XY uh, posting period variant, periods it will be updated properly. Sorry. XY, select this one, periods. So now periods also updated properly, and coming to the text also, here text also it will display properly because with the help of BV posting period, I will copy and create a new XY posting period. Okay, this is the posting period. Okay, now posting period variant is completed, and also you have a
Mm.
prop.
Excuse me,
Hello.
sir. Just a small doubt. In this fiscal year, in the year shift, likewise, like -1, as it is coming from starting now. In the same way, we will be having the year shift of that +1. No, can you please help to clear out that doubt also?
+1 means right.
Yes, yes. There will be two scenarios, no, sir. Like -1 in the sense till the April, the 3 months, 3 months will be the next year's, no. It will be in -1. There will be like
+1 means
+1.
oh, wait. Basically, our Indian physical year. So most of the 9 months it will be belongs to first year, right? And the remaining 3 months belongs to second year. So
Yes,
some
correct.
of the tell me.
Yes, yes, correct. I am ready.
Some of the countries they are maintaining their post physical areas. First year they are maintaining 4 to 5 years, and the next coming year they're having like remaining say 6 to 7 months. So it is based on the calendar year wise. It will display plus or minus. Once again, I'll test in the system. Body not created. I'm sorry. You can see. So here their physical year
Yes.
calendar is July to June, right?
Yes. Yes.
So that their country level they are using physical year like same way 2 years, but first year like June to July. So I think here you can see this is the
January.
July,
Yes.
August, September. Just simple thing is our country is using 3 months only from the next year. So some of the companies like it means which year physical which year posting periods it will be belongs to more months, then it will comes to the plus which year belongs to posting periods like next year months it will be less, then we can use the minus shift too. That is simple logic. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be equal also they are using plus. So can understand, right?
Understood.
This is simple logic. So, but as per this is based on the country calendar year. Whenever you're getting the job, each and everything they will providing KT. So which physical year they are maintaining, what is the year. So everything they are explaining. Just basic understanding purpose I'm explaining. Okay. Then whatever the physical year variant we created, then now we need to assign this physical year variant to our company code. Assign EV to our company code 1003. Our company code in the our company code is Bajaj Digitals. So with the help of OBA7, or else we are same path also we have option assign company code to physical year variant. Go to position, enter our company code 1003. So Bajaj Digital and our physical year variant is BV. Enter. So then automatically it will display our special periods and normal periods also. Then click on save. Enter. So now the second step also completed. So this is a posting period variant, and we'll assign that posting period variant to our company code, right? So then coming to define posting period variant. So what is meant by posting period variant? So with the help of variant, so this is very important in real time scenarios. So but in demo server, I'll create and open all the posting periods. So it means all normal posting periods and special posting periods. So whenever I'm trying to post any kind of transactions, I have an option to post entire year and entire special adjustment years also it will open, adjustment months also it will open. But in real time scenarios, so we don't have option to post the entries in entire year. We have an option by month only. So for example, now we are in January. So this is 10th posting period. So when December is completed, then automatically within within first 1 week, the December posting period it will be closed, and automatically January 1st, this 11th posting, 10th posting period it will be opened. So that is like some other people like core end users or consultant people they are opening, they are doing these activities. So now define posting period variant. So what is meant by posting period variant? So this is also expect normal 12 normal posting periods. So each month is called as a one posting periods. So what are the advantages of four special posting periods? This is auditing purpose, right? Physical year variant completed. Maintain open and closing posting periods. Okay. OBB0. So with the help of T code, we can create the posting period variant, right? slash n OB P0. Okay, now this is also text field only. So we just create the posting period variant text E1. So and we need to enter our company code level. Okay. BD Bajaj Digital PV. This is just text field only. BD PV Bajaj Digital Posting Period Variant. So in real time scenarios, what and all the configuration we are doing, everything before that they are prepared documents. Once they get approval from client, then only they can do the configurations. Enter, save. Okay, right. Our posting period variant is BDPV. BDPV. Then, so now we created a one posting period variant. This is the text. In that posting period, we need to fix as a month, like which months we need to open, which months we need to close. So these and all we are doing under the, we need to fix under the posting period variant. So define variant for open and closing posting periods. So OB52. So just go to the path also, will write SPRO, SAP reference IMG screen, financial accounting new, global settings, ledgers, financial accounting, global settings, once again, global settings new. Reach the path. So this is the posting period variant created and OB52 slash n OB52. Okay, this is the posting periods, open and closing. So I forget that screen. So again, we'll reach that screen. So posting period variant. So whatever the posting period variant we created. So in that posting period variant, we need to assign all the, we need to open, we need to fix months. So like open and closing period months. So like normal posting periods and special posting periods. So here you can just click on go to the new entries. So our variant is BDPV, Bajaj Digital Posting Period Variant, right? So here you can observe. So there, if you click the plus option, then it will reflect it for all the accounts like assets, customer, vendors, material, GL accounts, contracts. So in coming sections, whenever you're trying to post any kind of transactions, so each and every transaction must belongs to under this kind of nature of transactions like A indicates assets, D indicates customer, K indicates vendors, M indicates material, S GL accounts, V for contract accounts. It means So any kind of customer related transactions, if you want to post in our system, we must and should fix open and closing posting periods. We must and should active the open and closing posting periods under the customer side also. At the same time, vendor side also. If you enter only asset side, you select A. So for example, I'll just select A. Then so from account to account present is not required. So from period. So now this is one. So from period means, so now we are in 2024-25 year. So from period means first period to 12th period. So first period means April, 12th period means next year March. So that first period is 2024 April. So here also we need to enter 2024 again. Check then 12th posting period. So 1 to 12. So this is a from period to 2 period, right? 2 period belongs to like 12th posting period belongs to 2025, right? So here this is the special posting periods, right? So this is the normal posting period, 12 posting periods, and here we need to update special posting periods. So special posting periods means 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 months extra we need to use for auditing purpose. So here April 2025. So that 13 is April. So April belongs to 2025. 13, 14, 15, 16. So it means April, May, June, July. So July 2025. So July means 16, 2025. So why we are using this posting period, special posting periods, I already explained. So here is 13. That with the help of 13 posting periods, we can update any changes from these 12 posting periods out of first three posting periods like April, May, June. First 3 months relevant any changes required at the time of auditing purpose. We need to use 13 special posting periods. So, or else second 3 months relevant any changes, we can use 14 special posting periods. Or else 13 next another 3 months posting period relevant and another 3 months uh, another 3 months relevant any changes, we can use 14 special posting period. And final January, February, March. Last 3 months relevant any changes required, then we can use 16 posting period. So these purpose we can use this posting period months active and inactive. But in real time scenarios, they are opening only current month only. So once existing previous month is completed, they just keep in 1 or 2 days only. Again, they will close that previous month. So this is the real time. This is also one of the month ending activities. So some of the companies they're based on their some of the people they are using core users and senior consultants, and some of the companies end users also option they have to open this. The that is entered based on the client requirement. So now we selected A. It means only assets relevant. Then BD PV assets is completed. At the same time, we need to select customers. So customers, same thing. One first posting period and year 12 2025 30 2025 16 and again 2025, right? Enter. So in this way each and every I mean assets, customers, vendors, contractor assets in each and every step wise we have option to update, or else we can select the entire plus, then automatically system it will applicable for all kind of transactions. Okay, I think some of the error it will display BDPV AD 1 2025 13 16. Okay, just go back and go to the new entries. BDPV, I'm selecting A, valid for all account types. So here one first posting period 2025 period 12 2025 and 13 posting special period 2025 and 16 2025. Okay, enter. Now I'm going to save it. So it means whenever selecting the plus mark, it will affected for all type of assets. So no need to enter again A, D, K, M, S like that. So at the time of updating A, D, K, M, S step by step, some years it will be updated wrongly. So then automatically it will show error. So again you need to just back and again you need to do the starting on also. So that I'm just selecting the plus and save it. Okay, now our system is ready to post the documents for the entire year also. So that I'm opening entire all the posting periods and our special posting periods also. I'm activated. So this one also completed. Then so whatever so till right you are understand right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. Now so whatever the physical year variant posting period variant we created and activated the months. Now we need to assign these physical year posting period variants to our company code. Then only it will reflected to our company code. OBB8. I think these and all same T code. /SBRO. Financial accounting. Global settings. Ledgers posting periods. Financial accounting global settings. Some of the T code. Okay. Once close this session, once again we'll reach that path also. OBB8/N OBB8. This is the transaction code for assignment of posting period variant to our company code. So now go to the position. Our company code is 1003. Bajaj Digital. Now we need to assign whatever the posting period variant we created. That one we need to assign here. So BDPV. Bajaj Digital posting period variant. Enter and save it. Okay, now posting period also create whatever the posting period we created, that one we will assign to our company code. Just make it color. Double 003 to BDPV. 003 plus BDPV. Just I'm updating an Excel sheet. Further, whenever you are trying to create in your system, with the help of this Excel sheet only, you can do easily. This is also completed. So then coming to field status variant. So this is also very, very important. So field status variant is, so for example, with the help of field status variant, whenever we are trying to post any kind of transactions, so slash n FB county something. So this is the vendor customer invoice posting screen. So whenever I'm trying to post any kind of transaction relevant to this, or like customer relevant invoice, you can see there are different types of fields. So customer number, date, amount, debit and credit, GL line items, text field. These are all different types of fields is there. So, but field status variant means with the help of field status variant, whenever we can restrict each and every GL relevant. So, for example, once again, slash and FB50. This is general entry like expenditure relevant transaction. So here I'm selecting one of the GL, for example, electricity charge. This is the one GL. So field status variant means salaries is one GL. So under this salaries GL, this salaries GL belongs to some administration expenditure, whatever. So with the help of field status variant, we have an option to fix under the entire administration group relevanted, or else whenever trying to create a one GL. So later sections I'll explain. Uh, Simply, so I selected this electricity charges. So whenever trying to electricity charges GL, it will be reflected. Then automatically I need to do some mandatory fields. So I'll compulsory, I'll enter some mandatory fields. So these fields, which field is mandatory, which field is optional, these and all fixation with the help of field status variant only. So that we need to create the field status variant. Later I'll explain one by one. So field status is variant is nothing but whenever you're trying to post any kind of transaction, with the help of field status variant, we can restrict which field is optional, which field is mandatory. So optional means here many of fields it will be displayed. Without we can update this field, system it will post entries. But some of the fields it will be mandatory. So compulsory we need to update that particular field. Then only system it will save the document, right? Then define field status variant OBC4. Bajaj. So this is Bajaj field status variant. We just fix one text name. Bajaj Digital FV. Previous is posting period variant. This is field status variant, like Bajaj Digital field status variant. Okay. Now with the help of OBC4 slash n OBC4. So this is the field status variant creation screen. SPRO Financial Accounting Global Settings. That lectures. Financial Accounting field status variant. Financial Accounting define field status variant. Define field status variant. Same path. So here only path. I just forget one thing. This is financial accounting and new financial accounting means. So in as per HANA, these two kind of options not available. So ECC version only it will display financial accounting and financial accounting new. Financial accounting means classical. It means old financial accounting. So here financial accounting news means after some of the client requirements, system will SAP it will update different types of options. So then we can use the new financial accounting. So that is new GL concepts. So these and all different kind of transactions we are going to post under the financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings. Real accounts. General ledger accounting new. Master data GL accounts. Sorry. Send company code to field status variant. OBC4 and OBC5 /n OBC4. Okay, this is the field status variant. Field status variant. So now we want to create the new field status variant, right? Create new one and BDF Bajaj Digital field status variant. Field status variant. Bajaj Digital. Okay, text. It will take some of the words only. Okay, save it. So now we created field status variant BDFE. Now under this field status variant, we need to do some fixation. So like just click on this field status variant, go to field status groups. So you can see here we need to update all the field status groups. So like there are different types of field status. This is new entry. So you need to enter new entry means if you want to use new entry, we can update everything. So or else you can select, just go back. So there are different types of field status variant. So like this is TSF. This and all I already created some of the company codes. So 0001 is from standard. Like okay, you can select 0001 because some existing field status it will display all the fields. So that I'm selecting the existing field status variant. How we can select a physical year variant at the same time here also I'm selecting existing field status variant because it will update all the fields. So select this one, go to this one, PDF. I think we already created. Once try to delete existing one, system it will take or not. Otherwise, we can create new one. What is that BDFE? Delete that one. Select, go to copy option. So it existing 0001, we can select and change BDFE. So I think we already created and deleted. It will not be accepted. So that PJFE. We just change the name. But real-time scenarios, if we can delete it, then again also system it will be accepted because entire backend also they will delete it. So you can see system also we need to change BJFP. So Bajaj Digital field status variants. Okay, this is our field status variant. I just change the name only. So copy all entire. So it means 41 dependent entries copy. It means 41 types of field status variant. So field status variant means later whenever you're trying to post any kind of transactions, like before that we need to any kind of transaction posting, we need to debit and credit GL account, right? That credit GL accounts, whenever we are trying to create any GL accounts, FS00, when I'm trying to create a GL account, it will ask different kind of fields. So based on the GL nature wise, we can select the field. Okay. So that purpose, under the field status variant, we need to active all kind of field status variants, all kind of field status groups. Select this one and save it. So now, so previously we selected a BD, uh, FE, but when you try to click on the field status group, it will show 0. There is no any field status group, but we can copy from existing and create a new one so that everything field status group, field status, it will add it for new field status group. Okay, select an FV, Bajaj Digital Field Status variant, click on the field status group. Okay, now it will be added all the field status groups. So these and all field status groups, whenever try to create general text with any kind of general ledger relevant GLs, then we will select the G001 or else material consumption. This is the department people. Then they can use department relevant to any kind of GL. They can use cost accounts, bank account, bank relevant any kind of GL accounts we are going to create. We can select the field status group. These are all different kind of field status group, reconciliation accounts. So mostly we are using, I think in FI part of view, 6 to 7 or almost 10 kind of GL group field status only. Remaining all different kind of department they are using. Okay, now I'm just click on this, double click on this one. So in that G001, this is our field status group. I'm going to select 001. So in the general text, if we can select different types of fields is there, just double click on this general text. So here, yeah, B50. So this is the transaction, general transaction, expenditure relevant. So here there is a different types of fields like text field, header text. So whenever trying to post, we need to mandate, we have an option to fix, like here text is required. So you just click on text is optional. Then in this document, where is the text? Here text field, it will be displayed. In this text field, if you are entered or not entered, system, it will post the transaction automatically because this text field will keep in optional only, right? Otherwise, or else you can fix this text field as a required and save it. Then whenever you are trying to post any transaction, here mandatory, text, whatever the text, mandatory, we need to update text. Then only system, it will post the transaction. So remaining all debit and credit line items, amounts, text reference number, everything will need to be updated. Business areas, these and all I'll explain later. Cost centers, profit centers, internal orders. When we are entering the CO, I'll explain clearly. So business areas, internal orders, everything will cover under the FICO. So whenever I try to post any kind of transactions, we need to update debit and credit GL accounts. So under the debit GL accounts, uh, for example, you can post any transaction. That transaction belongs to which company code, which business area, which profit center, which cost center. So these and all, we have a option to fix from this only. Whenever trying to post the documents, based on the parameters, so based on these parameters only, this particular transaction reach and update particular company code or particular business area. So that one will covered one by one. Then, for example, G004, this is the bank accounts. So, text number. So, whenever trying to post bank relevant transaction, here also text. If you can fix the text mandatory, then compulsory we need to update as text also. So, there are different types of, for example, reconciliation account. So, mainly you can understand field status variant to separate, that is for open and closing posting periods. For active the transactions, whenever we active the posting period, then we can then we have option to post the documents. So at the same time, here field status variant is whenever you're trying to post. So for example, FS00 is GL account creation, right? So there are different types of GL accounts in my existing company. So now I want to create one more GL accounts under the administration expenditure. Traveling, like traveling is the 4101410. Okay, I just click on edit this one. Here you can see in create field, create and bank interest. Here field status group. Okay, this is traveling expenditure. I created as internal orders, so mandatory. So I'm selecting G001, or else rent I'm selecting. Click on this one. Rent belongs to G001. So here I'm selecting G001 field status group. G001 field status. Under the G001, what and all the fields is mandatory, what and all field is optional. So based on that, whenever I am posting any kind of transaction under the rent relevant, then compulsory I need to update required fields. So these and all the reflections, it will be happen from the field status groups. So that I need to create the field status groups and I need to active field status. Later, one by one, based on the GL nature, based on the GL requirement, I will update field status group. So that this is a field status group I created. And also now that field status group, when I need to assign my company code, like BJFE, with the help of OBC5T code, /n OBC5, assignment of company code to field status variant, right? The position, my company code 1003, enter. So whenever we updating field status group to our company code, then only it will be reflected. So that otherwise system it cannot be identified. This field status variant field status group belongs to my company code. So that we need to update our field status PJFP 1003 plus PJ assignment. OBC5. OBC5. JFP. BJFP, right? Enter, save. Okay, now till posting period. So this all 7 steps is completed. I think if I explain more, your practicing also it will too difficult. So that remain rest of the concepts we will go for tomorrow classes. So in this entire global setting parameters relevant interview questions and answers. So this and all the basic interview, those who are attending like 2 years or below 2 years, this is the interview questions. What is meant by physical year variant? How many types of years in SAP? How many types of posting periods? What is used for field status variant? What is the purpose of using tolerance group? How many types of tolerance group? These and all these concept relevant interview questions. So, but I have prepared almost 200 to 300 questions for pressure point of view and experience point of view also. So later, once we covered all the topics, then I will provide a question, interview questions and answers also. So you have any doubts regarding this one? So and path also once again I recap because basic settings level I cannot do. I need to recap that basic settings. Other than basic settings path. So tomorrow, whenever I'm trying to start the class, before 10 to 15 minutes, I just recap the path also. Then I'll easy to explain you.